Spring cleaning for your legacy, why your estate plan needs a refresh. Spring is in the air. The birds are singing, the flowers are blooming, and you're suddenly inspired to purge that junk drawer that's been mocking you since last year. But while you're knee-deep in decluttering your garage, let's talk about another kind of cleaning, your estate plan. Yes, your estate plan. If it's been gathering dust, now is the perfect time to freshen it up. Just like cleaning out old clothes that no longer fit, reviewing and updating your will or trust ensures it still meets your needs and reflects your current wishes. How often should you review your estate plan? According to a 2023 Caring.com survey, 2 out of 3 Americans, 66%, don't have a will or any estate planning in place. Even for those who do, life changes quickly: marriages, divorces, new children or grandchildren, and even changes in tax laws can impact your plan. Experts recommend reviewing your estate plan every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if you've had a major life event. Think of it like changing the batteries in your smoke detector, necessary and potentially life-saving. Estate planning spring cleaning checklist. Before you start alphabetizing your spice rack, take a few minutes to check off these estate planning to-dos. Review your beneficiaries. Is that cousin who moved to the Bahamas still the right choice for your assets? Update as needed. Check your executors and trustees. Life happens. Make sure the people you've chosen to handle your affairs are still willing and able. Revisit your powers of attorney. If you were incapacitated tomorrow, are the right people making financial and healthcare decisions on your behalf? Assess your assets. If you bought a new home, sold investments, or started a business, your estate plan should reflect these changes. Update guardianship for minor children. If you have young kids, make sure their guardianship plan still makes sense. Procrastination is tempting, but it comes at a price. Without a proper estate plan, your loved ones could face costly and time-consuming probate. The court, not you, decides who inherits your assets and who takes care of your children. Your healthcare decisions might be left in the hands of someone you wouldn't choose. Wealth Council found that 92% of people believe estate planning is important, yet only 40% have an estate plan in place. That's like knowing you need to clean your gutters but deciding to wait until the next monsoon. This spring, let's tackle more than just the junk drawer. Whether you need to create a new estate plan or refresh an old one, now is the perfect time to get organized. Just like a clean house brings peace of mind, an up-to-date estate plan ensures your loved ones are protected and your wishes are honored. At Gaughan and Connealy Estate Planning Attorneys, we're here to make the process easy and stress-free.